people from flood affected areas are going to safer places. That's what was happening. Yesterday we saw the waters in Dal Lake were constantly rising, and people who are living in the vicinity of the Dal Lake, inside the Dal Lake, on islands or in the houseboats, were trying to flee from those areas and go to safer places. Right now I'm in Kashmir University, which has been converted into a camp for all those people who are displaced by floods in the vicinity of Dal Lake. There are more than 1,200 people here who have been camping here last night. Lots and lots of problems are here. Let's try and speak to them. आप कहाँ से आए हो और कैसे यहाँ पहुँचे?
हम आया यहाँ से हबकशानपुरा से, उधर पानी डूब गया 2-2 मंजिल तक। हम उधरी सामान वामान सब छोड़ा, पानी में डूब गया सारा सामान। हम इधर आया, हमें इधर सब उधर मकान डूब गया, सारा सामान जो खाने वाला का सामान है, आटा चावल।
तो when you moji tu kya peta hai?
हबकशानपुर पे आठ।
Seit बचोवा के न सोरी गो खत्म।
और आज को दो मंदिर में पुरना आज नरल के दास तो और फल कुन कहाँ से ये न कुन
जान बचे है सैरी कड़खता है। So this family has come from Chanpora, which is worst affected in the civil lines area. They say they have managed to come out, they were rescued, but everything, their house is gone, all their belongings are gone. In fact, we are also facing lots of problems. We are not able to get in touch with our family members for the last 2 days. People who are living in Rajbagh, Natipora, they have no contact with them. In fact, I'm also joined by my cameraman Sheikh Tariq, whose family, he shifted from Rajbagh to Natipora, and there's no contact with them. Tariq sahab, 2 दिन से तो कोई बात नहीं हुई?
नहीं, 3 दिन से बात मेरी बिल्कुल नहीं हुई है। मुझे पता नहीं है उनका क्या हाल हो गया इस टाइम, कि वो उस टाइम मुझे कॉल, लास्ट में मेरी जो कॉल आ गई, उसने कहा हम लास्ट फ्लोर में हैं, अब अल्लाह ही बचाए, कोई मदद नहीं पहुंच रही।
आप वो राजबाग में थे, राजबाग से आपने उनको नटीपुरा शिफ्ट किया?
वो मेरा मकान जो राजबाग में था वो तबाह हो गया, तो फिर मैंने उनको शिफ्ट किया था वहां बचाने के लिए। मुझे खुद पता नहीं है वो है कहाँ, किधर है, क्या है।
अब वो सारे एक जगह ही है? आपके ब्रदर की फैमिली भी, आपकी फैमिली?
टोटली मुझे पता ही नहीं है, कुछ रास्ता ही नहीं मुझे हो रहा है, कहाँ है क्या नहीं है। मैं बेबस हूँ, कोई मुझे पता ही नहीं है मेरी फैमिली कहाँ है, क्या है, कहाँ कुछ, मेरा पूरा परिवार ही वहां है, बस मैं अकेला बाहर हूं।
So Kashish, we are also not able to get in touch with our family members. There were only Aircel network which was working. Even that is down now. There's no connectivity, and that's the big problem. There's no communication. In the first 2 days of flooding, people used to call us from different places, giving their location, asking for help. But now there is no connectivity, so we really don't know what is the situation there. I believe rescue teams have gone to different places, particularly in places like Rajbagh, where Air Force and Army have evacuated a lot of people. We're also told that CRPF also used its boats and evacuated people from Khanyar in downtown. But then the situation is very bad in the sense that the enormity of the problem is so much, the magnitude is so much, it's difficult to reach to all the places. And we believe there are still thousands and thousands of people who are trapped in those floors, on the rooftops, still waiting for help. The priority right now is to send across the rescue missions to all those areas. Now the Dal waters are rising, but we're told that Jhelum waters are slowly receding, and that's the good news. If Jhelum waters come down, then perhaps more of these areas would be accessible. But then the waters of the Dal Lake are rising. That's the worry, and that's why these people have been displaced. Now, because of this flooding and the closure of the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, there is a shortage of all the essential commodities everywhere. All those places which are still safe, which are still on a higher altitude, there's a problem of essential commodities. People cannot get all the food items, the medicines and everything. Right now, people from the flood affected areas are coming out. More and more areas are getting inundated, and that's the big worry. Here is a report about the situation that was prevailing in the valley yesterday.